It's that time of the year again. We have moved on from 2019 to 2020 and we wave goodbye to 2019 to 2020. First and foremost, I'd like to give thanks to all of my subscribers for subscribing to this video, and I'd like to give thanks to all of those people who liked my video for supporting. It really means a lot to me. If you'd like to follow up with all my videos, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification button below. As promised to all my subscribers, here are some of the industry outlook and the top picks of my stock market. So let's begin. There are three industries that I'm looking into in 2020. Oil, consumer staples, and also healthcare information. So for the oil outlook, I feel that it might be a bit of a mix. People still need oil in developing countries such as China and Africa. And the good thing about it is that there's a demand surge in developing countries in 2020. Currently, oil price is at $57 all the way up to $60. However, there might be a con to this because I feel there might be a decline in oil price in the near future. Because as the shale production is increasing, I may foresee that there will be an increase in oil and a decrease in price. Now let's move on into consumer staples. So I do believe that consumer staples will be very good in the future because people still need consumer staples and consume even in a recession. It is considered to be a recession-proof industry. However, with consumer staples, there might be a con to this. Low profit margins as costs to revenue are really thin. Because imagine if you have a high cost and very low revenue, the profit margin will be really low for consumer staples. Now let's move on to healthcare information. Healthcare information may be a good thing because diagnosis can be easily identified with the information provided by the companies in the future. However, for healthcare information, I look at it, there may be a downside as well. People may be shy away from giving an information regards to their health. So now let's move on into the stock market. These are the 5 picks I have in mind, not in any particular order. Disclaimer. All of this information that I have provided is not an opinion to buy or sell. Please do your research before investing in the stock market. And let's begin. Take a look at the company called ConocoPhillips Company, stock ticker COP. This company is related to oil and gas in terms of exploration, produces, transport, and market crude oil, bitumen, natural gas and liquefied natural gas, and natural gas liquid worldwide. Currently, the stock has a PE ratio of 8.88, which is considered to be at the undervalue in the market. Earning per share is at 7.32, which is considered to have a high earning per share, and a forward dividend yield of 2.6%, which is pretty considered on the average side. In my opinion, that this is considered to be an undervalued stock which could grow in the future in 2020. Look at the next company called Occidental Petroleum Corporation, stock ticker symbol OXY. Company engages in acquisition, exploration and development of oil and gas property and in the United States and internationally. The company operates through 3 segments: oil and gas, chemical, and midstream and marketing. Current PE ratio is at 29.39, earning per share is at 1.37, and the forward dividend of 3.16, which is at 7.92% currently. The reason why I'm looking into this counter is because Warren Buffett is one of the best investors, is currently investing in this stock due to the fear in the management system. If this management were to do very well in the future, I think this company may start to grow back and rebound. Look at this company called Mondelez International, stock ticker symbol MDLZ. This company is one of my favorites because they are part of the consumer staple industry. Company that sells Oreo and Cadbury chocolates. PE ratio is at 20.25, which is considered to be at a fair value. Per share is at 2.71, which is considered to be on average in the industry, while forward dividend yield is at 1.14, which is yielding at 2.07% at the current price. Statistically, this yield had been growing up to 6% each year, which is considered to be a dividend growth fund. I believe this company may grow in 2020 as no matter how in the situation of recession or boom, people still need to use a consumption of staples. Let's look at the company called PepsiCo PEP. PepsiCo is not only selling Pepsi products, they are also selling other products such as Frito-Lay and even Quaker Oats. Also the producer of this brand called Tropicana and also Mountain Dew. I believe this company may grow further in the future. PE ratio is at 15.55, which is considered to be undervalued. Earning per share is at 8.79, which is considered to be a very fair value in a high earning. Forward dividend yield is at 3.82, yielding at 2.79% at this current price. In the long run, I believe that this company will be another dividend yield fund. will be able to grow in the near future of 2020 and beyond. Just like Warren Buffett, this is also another one of my favorite companies. I will be able to buy and keep for the long run. Now let's look at the healthcare sector. In the industry of health information service, this company called Premier Incorporated, stock ticker PINC. This company operates through two segments, supply chain service and performance service. The supply chain service segment offers its members to access a range of products and services including medical and surgical products, pharmaceutical, laboratory supply, capital equipment, information technology facilities, and construction, food and nutritional products. Current PE ratio is at 4.07, which is considered to be severely undervalued. Earning per share is at 9.34, which is considered to be at a high earning per share. It has no dividend yield, presumably it will be a growth stock. I believe that no matter what the circumstances may be, people will be very concerned about their healthcare in the future. In 2020, I believe Premier Incorporated will be able to be a growth stock to be and beyond in the future. And that's the end of my 2019 coming to 2020 industry outlook. So what are some of your opinions in 2020? Which industry do you think will grow? What are the other stocks do you have in mind? Leave it down in the comment below, and I'll see you next time. Happy 2020, everyone!